Video number 6. Best practices to secure crypto wallets. The price swings of cryptocurrencies are erratic, attracting both investors and cyber criminals. Since its inception in 2009, there have been numerous hacks and heists reported on cryptocurrency exchanges and crypto wallets. In this video, let's find out how to safeguard your crypto wallets from digital exploits. Why secure a crypto wallet? The threat to your digital currencies is mainly through cryptocurrency wallets, digital wallets, or exchange providers. A crypto wallet does not store your digital coins, but it holds a private key which allows you to trade cryptocurrency online. This private key is your digital identity to the cryptocurrency market, and anyone who gets hold of this can perform fraudulent transactions or steal your crypto coins. Cybercriminals use sophisticated techniques to compromise digital wallets and steal, transfer crypto assets without the user's knowledge. Securing your wallet is essential when it comes to protecting your digital currency against cyber attacks. 1. Use a cold wallet. Unlike hot wallets, cold wallets do not connect to the internet, therefore, they are not prone to cyber attacks. Storing your private keys in a cold wallet, also known as a hardware wallet, is the most viable option as these come encrypted, keeping your keys secure. 2. Use secure internet. While trading or making crypto transactions, use only a secure internet connection and avoid public Wi-Fi networks. Even when accessing your home network, use a VPN for additional security. A VPN changes your IP address and location, keeping your browsing activities safe and private from threat actors. 3. Maintain multiple wallets. Since there is no limitation for wallet creation, you can diversify your cryptocurrency investments in multiple wallets. Use one wallet for your daily transactions and keep the rest in a separate wallet. This will protect your portfolio and mitigate the loss of any breach to your crypto account. 4. Secure your personal device. Make sure your personal device is up to date with the latest virus definitions to defend against newly discovered vulnerabilities. Use a strong antivirus and firewall to improve your device's security to avoid hackers from taking advantage of the weakness by writing code to target the vulnerability. 5. Change your password regularly. Phishing scams via malicious ads and emails are rampant in the cryptocurrency world. Be careful while making crypto transactions and avoid any suspicious and unknown links. In a recent cryptocurrency heist, a hacking group, CryptoCore, targeted cryptocurrency exchanges via spear phishing campaigns. Attackers stole cryptocurrency worth $200 million in 2 years, targeting companies in the US and Japan since 2018. Clear Sky stated that CryptoCore initiated a reconnaissance phase to identify the email accounts of the cryptocurrency exchange's employees and security executives before conducting a spear phishing attack. These attacks were performed using fake domains impersonating affiliated organizations and employees, and by embedding malicious links in documents via emails. The cryptocurrency industry is constantly evolving. It is your sole responsibility to protect your digital funds by securing your wallet with essential safety precautions. Update yourself with the latest security news, attack techniques, and prevention strategies. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video lesson.